When it comes to meal prep, time and efficiency are essential. Whether you're hosting a family gathering, preparing multiple dishes for a busy week ahead, or simply want to streamline your cooking process, this Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker is the game-changing kitchen gadget you need. This innovative appliance takes multitasking to a whole new level, allowing you to cook 2 different meals simultaneously, with separate cooking temperatures and methods, all in just one appliance. Say goodbye to overcrowded countertops and the need for multiple pots and pans. Why choose the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker? Gone are the days of juggling multiple appliances to cook different meals. The Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker offers the ultimate cooking flexibility with its dual-sync technology smart timer, enabling you to cook 2 completely different dishes at the same time, each with different temperature and cooking settings. Whether you're looking to slow cook a hearty stew while baking a savory dessert, or sauté a stir-fry while steaming rice, the MultiMeal Multicooker allows you to do it all effortlessly. Here are some top reasons why you should consider making the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker a part of your kitchen. Cook multiple dishes at once. This dual-pot appliance allows you to cook 2 different meals at the same time, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Space-saving design. No more cluttered countertops. With the Crock-Pot MultiMeal, you can replace up to 30+ cooking tools and appliances, making it an ideal space saver for any kitchen. Seamless multifunctionality. From slow cooking to searing, sautéing, baking, steaming, and keeping warm, this multi-cooker offers a wide range of functions to suit all your cooking needs. Key features and benefits. What sets the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker apart is its dual-pot design. Each 3.7-quart pot can be set to a separate temperature and cooking function, allowing you to prepare 2 different meals at once. Whether you're cooking for your family or meal prepping for the week, this feature saves you time and effort, making it an absolute game changer. The dual-sync technology smart timer is the heart of this multi-cooker, ensuring that both meals are ready at the same time. It allows you to program each pot individually, so even if one dish requires more time than the other, both will be cooked perfectly and be ready to serve when you need them. This Crock-Pot Multicooker is a true kitchen multitasker. It replaces the need for multiple appliances like slow cookers, sauté pans, rice cookers, steamers, and baking pans. The result is a clutter-free kitchen, saving you both space and money on unnecessary kitchen gadgets. In addition to its core slow cooking and sauté functions, the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker also includes a bake function, perfect for preparing desserts, breads, and more. Choose between 300° Fahrenheit or 350° Fahrenheit to get the ideal temperature for baking. Whether you're baking a cake or making a batch of cookies, this appliance ensures your desserts come out beautifully. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The ceramic-coated nonstick pots allow for easy release of food, and they wipe clean with minimal effort. Plus, the lid, pots, and steam rack are dishwasher-safe for your convenience. The nonstick coating ensures that food doesn't stick, reducing the amount of time and energy spent on scrubbing. Each of the 2 removable cooking pots has a 3.7-quart capacity, giving you a total of 7.4 quarts of cooking space. This is the ideal size for preparing family-sized meals or cooking for gatherings. Whether you're making a large pot roast in one pot and steaming vegetables in the other, or baking a savory dish while keeping another warm, this multi-cooker offers the flexibility you need. If you prefer a crispy finish on your meals, the removable cooking pots are oven-safe up to 450° Fahrenheit. Simply transfer the pot from the multi-cooker to the oven to add a crispy texture to your meal. This added feature gives you more cooking options and flexibility when preparing your favorite dishes. Final verdict. If you're looking for a space-saving, multifunctional kitchen appliance that can replace multiple kitchen tools and help you prepare delicious meals faster, the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker is a must-have. With its dual-sync technology, bake function, and family-size capacity, it's the ideal solution for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone looking to maximize their cooking efficiency. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.